welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and this is Jasmine. You guys haven't even met her yet. She's new to the vlog. We just went out and got some salad. I've actually vlogged 3 days in a row, so I'm feeling really productive. And we're gonna go home and make salads for Sylvie's birthday party. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get back there. Bye!
A few moments later.
Cutting up my potatoes for my potato salad. You can come over here, you're fine. Jasmine's so shy. She looks so cute in her little summer dress. And then there's me. I look like I'm ready for fall.
You look super cute.
Thanks. I got this at Value Village yesterday. You guys saw it in my vlog. I'm gonna do a roasted potato salad because I think it'll add a bit more flavor. And if Sylvie wants the recipe for either of these, the quinoa salad or the potato salad, we'll have them up here. So, because I know she's always asking me how to cook some of the things that I make, so it's be good. I'm just basically cubing up these, and I've got my oven preheating to 450 degrees. And then Jasmine found this really awesome oil. It's like spicy herb and pepper. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Spicy herb and pepper. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my potatoes.
A little bit spicy. Spicy.
And Jasmine is boiling some quinoa. We should go outside and eat our salads though, because it's gonna get hot in here and I'm not into it. Vlog. Casual. Let's keep it casual. Okay. Too much. I hate cutting onions. When I was in cooking class, I used to literally put my head in the freezer every time I would start crying, and I still do it sometimes.
That's so cute.
Well, my friend Kaylee.
If you rinse it off, actually, once you're done peeling the skin, you will cry less.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe that's the hot tip of the day. Anything.
I'm not a fan of it.
Love cilantro. Oh yeah. This is her quinoa salad so far. Oh, that looks so good. What's in there?
There is cilantro, green onion, and grape tomatoes, and I'm gonna add corn and a mix of beans.
Ooh, that looks so good. And you're gonna add that oil too, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna add the oil and lemon juice.
I just chopped up some dill and some limes. I've got some garlic and onion in here. I'm gonna saute with a little bit of olive oil just to give it a little more flavor. And my corn to my onion and garlic. I decided to use water instead of oil to saute it because I'm trying to be a little healthier.
Google, stop it. That's not autofill.
What are you doing?
I'm getting it shit.
She's trying to order a gift for her boyfriend. These are our potatoes. They're looking pretty good so far. I have the other half on broil because I'm impatient and the bottom ones didn't cook as fast. So I'm just impatiently waiting for those to cook now. These potatoes together, they're kind of warm. I'm just gonna put them in here. Jasmine's a little new with filming. She's doing a great job. And I'm gonna add my corn and onion and garlic mixture. This will be good because it'll have a bit of time to like chill out. And I've got some dill. This is about 2 cups of dill. And I've also got some celery. I'd say this is about 1.5 cups of celery. Juice these limes. I've got 2 limes here. Maybe I should do this over a bowl.
That might be a good idea.
Okay. Really late because we still have to go pick up Bryce, and we have to go to the market, and we have to go to the dollar store, and it's like 4 o'clock, and we have to be at Sylvie's at 5. So I'm a little stressed. This is 2 limes, and I got some vegan Hellmann's, which is delicious. Honestly, I'm just gonna eyeball this. Depends how much you put in here. This was a full 5-pound bag of russet potatoes, by the way. Actually smells so good in here. I've got some of my secret weapon tahini. If you guys don't have this, it's optional, but I recommend it. It's really good. I'm gonna add some of that in. It adds like a little bit of a tangy flavor, so it's super good. And then I'm gonna add salt and pepper to taste. And hopefully those flavors have time to marinate while we are rushing. I'll give that one more stir and then we're good. Jasmine's gonna do a taste test. Good?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
It's really dilly, but I like it. With the tahini, does it need any more salt and pepper or anything?
I think maybe a bit more salt.
Yeah. I put a lot of dill, but like I'm okay with it. It needs dill. There. You're running so late and it's so hot. This doesn't even have time to cool down. I'm burning my arm. So Jasmine put a seatbelt around her bowl because she doesn't have a lid. Ugly guy, but cute dog. But like, what are you wearing? These for Sylvie. I've never actually tried these. And then these are like peanut butter cups. So hopefully she likes them.
I was gonna say, this is a nice.
Happy birthday, Sylvie!
Thank you. That's so much stuff. She said life? I love it. I can't remember the name.
Oh, that is so nice.
So silly.
That's so cute. I love that.
Is this the spring collection that's out? Is this from you?
There's something from all of us.
Oh, okay. Well, whoever this is from, thank you.
I thought that one was from everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Everybody's like, you're welcome.
I saw these on the vegan Facebook page, and I was like, I have to try them.
I haven't even tried them yet, so you're trying them ahead of me.
Well, we can try them together.
That's true. She ate it.
So tea. I love tea.
Yeah, and I put some compostable tea bags in there. I didn't know if you had.
I knew it. I knew it was from you. I saw the jar.
The Winston jar.
Yeah. What is it?
It's bath bomb. It's the cannabis infused bath bomb.
Yes.
Yes, but that one's
Oh
all
my
like
God.
crumbly, so it's now like a bath shape.
Whatever. It's gonna make my body go down and not feel bad.
Make sure you take it out of the jar first before you put it in.
No, just smash it.
It's a bomb.
A box, thank you. Oh, is this from you too?
Yes, that's also that.
Is this also with the? Yeah. I'm so happy about that.
It makes your skin crazy soft.
I was sitting in the hot tub after we made ours, or not the hot tub, sorry, in the bathtub, and I was like, is that the oil? Or is this for a bath? So, like, I never take baths, so I was like, what's going on? I got out, I was like, it's the oil. What's this weed? Oh my God.
And I took it off a plenty day to use that one.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
So bright. Oh my God.
So made some skewers. These look so good. You're such a lady. Right?
Oh my god.
The dill has like set in. It's so good. Yours? I can't wait to eat yours. Yours looks so good. I'm still waiting for Michael so that I can eat my burger.
Are you vlogging?
I'm vlogging. You wanna say hello?
Hello, following. What do you call yourself?
My potato squad. Literally.
Subscribe with you.
Like almost 3,000?
More than I.